Hello everyone, I'm Linda. Look at me. I look around the room. I look around the room. I squint my eyes. I squint my eyes. I look around the room and squint my eyes. I cannot see well. I cannot see well. I need my glasses. I need glasses to see. Where are my glasses? Where are my glasses? Look here. This is a desk. This is a desk. There are many things on my desk, but I do not see my glasses. Do you see my glasses? Let's look for my glasses. I look under the book. I do not see my glasses. I do not see my glasses. They are not under this book. This is a case. This is a case. I look inside the case. I do not see my glasses. I do not see my glasses in the case. Where are my glasses? I need my glasses to see. I will look under my desk. I do not see my glasses under the desk. My glasses are not under the desk. I need my glasses to see. Let's look in the desk. These are my glasses. These are my glasses. I need my glasses to see. I need my glasses to see. I put on my glasses. I can see now. I can see well now. I need my glasses. Do you need glasses? Okay, everyone, that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.